yeah, why, no. Who's gonna pay me when I solicit some babies? Rolling a whole chicken show when you save me. T-Rain ain't nothing but lately. Blaming on the bitches and the bitches is crazy. Overfly, so beholding now. Come on, cool from PBBC. Throw me dimes, throw me hollow. So we died. I said we take with it, baby. Then them babies we ride. I mean eternal. Max Wordle, hat urinal, cat urinal, full of hoes. Lippin' no, but no slow. Let me get you go. We said we elementary, bitch, and we element nose. And then on the fair bone you, say home you. F on your line like we swinging on the Daytona. Flip, bitch, Lego flipping on C. But don't messing with me like ain't messing with a PBC. Y'all signed me for 2.6. Y'all earn the shit, but I never received through my hits. Just get me up into the studio so I can get my own fucking cash roll. Nassau, head low, like a matter of fact. Nassau, a track like a fly hole. Oh, hydro, so dang guy go. Come on, man, I put a bullet like I'm psycho. Must stop, up and I'm back. That won't let out, that and that's not, but that's a book. That's it, ayo, I'm looking too down kill. And my brand new shoes, I'll be second low. Like a domino. Strike your bitch down with every second. Effervescent, where they best for the best man. Blessing on that shit, cause you wanna oppress him. T-Rain needs $1,500. 253-606-0279. It's my home phone number if you wanna decline or recline and give me money for the dough. I broke off. So for so low, the beat running out, but that's okay. If it's 606-0279-253, call it now. I need $1,500. Broke a door when I was homeless. And yeah. Or hit me up on PayPal, mindwaste@gmail.com. Alright, please. PBBC. Kicking it.